Morning. Oh, there's Heidi. Looks like Heidi just got here. She was out running with the guys last night. Kind of slept in when she got to our house. And while she was sleeping, Brad was out hunting. And Brad, what'd you get?
What is this? This would be
Let's see
Baudette
that thing.
buck.
Nice buck.
Opening morning.
How many points?
That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Nice.
That's a headshot.
Actually, after inspecting it, you hit it right behind the front shoulders on the right side. And then you hit it again right in the neck. So he actually came from back there. Brad's stand is way up there across the river. We'll show you in a little bit. So now we'll watch Brad gut a deer.
You're gonna watch me gut.
Come on, buddy.
Okay. First, you start by exiting of the gloves.
Let's zoom on that deer one more time. That is really a nice one. Yeah, it's got all the points he said. Nice big deer. And there's Heidi again. She still has yet to have put a gun in her hands.
Here's a soda for the tracker.
I think Paul has gotten 3 down. Nick missed one. John got one. And Brad shot this one. And Brad, tell us a story on it.
Okay, it's opening morning. I've been in the stand 15 minutes and I have a doe bedded down. Right 20, 25 yards away from me. And about 9 o'clock, we still had that, just doe was walking in. And I was shivering. I mean, beyond cold this morning.
How cold was it?
14 below.
17.
Oh, my bad, 17.
That's why that young lady there sacked in.
That's not why. I'll be out here tomorrow morning.
So, yeah, then, I just got sick of sitting there being cold, but I knew there was bucks around, so I said, God, please give me a buck so I can go warm up. And I look over and there's 2 does still, and I was like, oh, what's going on here? And all of a sudden, here comes Big Boy, walking up behind him.
You're talking he's big boy, right? Oh yeah, he's a big boy.
A big boy.
Nice rack. Okay.
Yeah, so I took one pop at him, and I thought I hit him, and then I saw him running, pulled the gun up and saw a scope. All I saw was the head, so I shot for the head, and looks like I got him. There's a lot of deer around.
How many shots you take?
Took 4.
4 shots. So you saw other deer too, huh?
I saw other deer. There's other bucks around.
Cool. Okay, we just got a message from Nick on the radio. He said he had a buck. He thinks it was a buck, and 2 does run on the private land right behind him. So we'll have to get the scoop from him later. Go ahead and dig in. We'll actually stop it for a while so Mom can watch this too.
Ooh.
There's some of the guys over there. We got Paul and John. I don't know if we can make them out totally. They're on the other side of the river there. Waiting for us. We got to drag it across the river. Brad's going to borrow a knife from him. So hopefully we'll be able to get that. There goes Brad. There's Nick. He wants to know how big it is. We had a good time out there today. It was freezing cold. Nick didn't even get cold. And this young lady over here, there she is hiding behind the tree. She's the one that was sleeping.
I was actually not sleeping. I was laying at your house wondering why I was there.
Because she was supposed to be up here after that thing. Brad's actually, his stand is on the other side by that bank up there, where those guys are, and we got the river. When we drag it out, I'll show you, but his stand is right about there on a corner.
Strawberry jam.
Okay, so we're all done now. The big buck has been cleaned out. Show a little bit of the remnants there. And now, the fun part. Where we're going to now again is over across the river. You can see those guys hiding out over there. That's right. This is the time of success. We'll film them working hard here, just so all you non-hunters know how much work this is for us. Everybody thinks it's just play. That is one big deer though. Look at the body. Now here come the fans down to the shore to see it. There's your buddy Nick up there. Listen to the fans, they're applauding.
Videotaping.
Now we got a water ski rope and we're going to drag him across the ice because the ice isn't very thick. Nick, how'd you do?
Nick, what you got? Skittles. What
You,
else?
you see any more? Nick, do you see any more?
No.
Yeah, you did.
Wait, yeah, I saw three.
Hang on to it.
Okay.
Watch out. You're gonna get nailed.
We'll watch, see how this works. Huh? I'd just go tie a knot right around the horns.
You want to come straight across here, or do you want to come up over here? How do you want to do this? You want to come up with this little slide over here, or you want to come straight across?
Don't matter.
Wherever you guys got the hard part of pulling them back up now.
Well, the closer to the truck, the further upstream you go.
You, Brad, don't go in the thing though, just... Let's go ahead and let's both of us hold the rope.
Okay. I want to set him down feet first.
Huh?
I want to set him down feet first.
Yeah, that's fine.
Right about there.
I'll hang on to the rope here.
Come up right in that little.
Right here.
Okay. Heidi, come on now.
He kicked me.
You got the rope now?
Yep.
What am I doing?
Don't want to break the horn. Oh, nice job, Doug.
Good grab.
Okay, there he is on the Riviera. Look at that rack. There he goes, Brad.
Come back.
He's crossed that river more than once, but not like that. Nice rack.
So plan of going up right where that divot
Let's
is.
kind of film this. This could be entertaining.
You going down there? Yeah.
Don't walk on the stuff.
Let you.
I don't want them to fall. Is that bad of me to say?
If I fall in.
I don't want them to fall. Is
Hold
that bad
up.
of me to say?
I will help laugh.
Wouldn't do her, John.
How about?
I think we had the easy half.
Yeah, for real. Can they do that?
Let's see if we can hear him. Look, we're reaching hard.
Whoa!
John almost went swimming.
Shut up!
Hey, John, you know it's like 15 below.
What?
You know it's like 15 below out. You won't stay wet long.
Yeah, I'll be fine. I'm a tough guy. Couple of wet wipes.
Well, am I glad I'm on this side of the river?
Yeah, you guys did all your work.
I'm not hungry anymore.
We're not going to do
Yeah, Becca.
Becca's like laying to help him.
Yeah, let's get him right over here. Just kind of trot. Where I am?
Nick, you should have brought the three-wheeler.
Can you just move the truck and connect to the truck?
Yes!
We got the truck right there. Actually, right there is Brad's stand, too. You can kind of see it there. He shot this bad boy. Actually, from up on the bank on the right over there. And then he run up through there, and we drug him out here. And we are
You missed the
here.
most entertaining part.
They're all struggling, but they made it. You guys want to have lunch now, or you want to get right back to it?
That's a nice one. That is a view.
That's not the question.
Is that worth the struggle?
Oh, definitely.
All right.
Good answer.
Okay, well, we got it back to the
Drag
truck.
him back feet first. Should we drag him back feet first?
Yeah, I'd like to watch that. Now, Heidi and Brad and I need to walk
Horns
back
first to
up
be
the
easier.
river.
Horns first is
Yeah, and there's a
easier.
beaver dam
So
we
that's the way
gotta
the skit
cross
or the
up
fur
here.
goes.
And then we're ending up over there, so we'll see you in a while. Okay, so it looks like everybody made her back. We're just coming back from getting Brad's buck. This is going to be the lounging area. I'm out of breath. Nick says he wishes that buck was his. Where is he? Brad was actually hunting down at the end of the meadow down there. Hey, I'll have to get some more. Okay, there's Heidi in her stand now. She finally made it out hunting. See if we can get her to wave. There's a nice little wave. And she'll be overlooking this meadow. So hopefully we'll be back dragging out another deer. Good luck. Okay, now I just swung back around and Heidi is sitting over there. Hopefully we can see her. That's that little black box over there. And then she'll be overlooking that field. We've got John. John is in. Where'd John's stand go? There it is, right there. That's what John is sitting in. He's not there now, so the two of them overlook this field. Got Tab back in the woods over there. And then across here, you can see Paul's stand right there. A little bit wiggling. He shot a bunch of them out of there today. And then Brad is down past the house down here. Nick, let me see if I can get a shot of Nick. I think he's still up in his stand. At least he was walking out there earlier. So here we got John going to pick up some of Paul's deer. There's the other two guys in there. I don't know if you can see them or not. Then way down past John, let me see if I can get him. I'm wiggling. That's Nick. Up there, he's about a half a mile away. He's in that stand. He missed a nice doe there today. And Paul hammered them out in there. They're in there gutting and dragging right now. So that's what we're overlooking. Hopefully we'll have a new report shortly. Okay, that's the end of the first day. Paul, how many did you get?
Let's see, I think I shot 5.
Yeah, that's all you got was 5?
All I got was 5, yeah.
Yeah.
I missed one.
John, did you get anything? John,
What?
did you get anything today?
I got me a pretty little lady.
Pretty little lady, yeah.
Now, John, how many deer you shot before?
Kind of on the big side.
She's a dandy. I saw it. I witnessed it.
And that's your first deer, right, John?
That's my first deer.
Matter of fact, they're right here. I don't know if we can see them here. Whoa, there's the rack. That's Brad's deer. There's all the girls in there. Tab got some shooting. Nick? How many deer did you see today?
7.
Did you see 7? Did you get a couple shots?
Yeah,
So did you get pretty bored out there in that 15 below zero?
sure.
Did ya?
You did not.
Becca, I hear you had a story. What happened?
I got to watch deer eat 5 of them
5
for
of 'em?
about, what was that, 4 hours? Because I couldn't get a shot at.
You couldn't shoot. Tab?
Couldn't shoot.
I heard your gun going.
What?
I heard your gun going off.
Tab collapsed under pressure.
Yeah. Okay, so the final count, Paul, was what?
We got 6 today, and Bradley got a nice buck. A nice buck.
So we got 7
We
total.
got 7 total, yeah.
Yeah. Tomorrow, this guy here is going to skin him.
Ooh,
So he's warming up the barrel today. He's getting ready to go,
a
right,
little
Nick?
bit in there.
Yep.
So it'll be a little bit warmer tomorrow, and one more shot of the big buck.
Ah, yeah.
I think we can see him there. Oh, we got two guys that want to claim it.
Big buck. Check it out.
Oh,
check it
yeah.
out, huh?
Yeah, that was worth it. That was shot by that guy over there. He's chaining up the 3-wheeler now. So, for today, successful hunt, and we'll tune in again tomorrow.
No day.
Okay, here we are at the Village One Stop in Kellier, registering our deer. That's the little meat wagon there. And we got everybody. Here comes John, buying more tags. He's hot. He's hot.